Hi there. First of all, I just copied the dataset by pressing Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and just copy the dataset from Microsoft Excel. Then I go to SPSS. So here I inserted the data. So if you want to insert it, then say first of all, you need to open a new data file. Then you just right click here. And here you need to paste with the variable names. Then the copied cells, all the columns from Microsoft Excel will be inserted here. So this is how you can add it. So this was the data. So what I did, here is the value column. So there is the defect, women with children, has children with birth defect. So I just put the value 0, no defect, 1, yes, with defect. And here I place 1 for rural, 2 for urban in the place of residence. So this is how I prepared the data set. Then say how I did the analysis step by step. So first of all, I did the frequency of these variables: women with child with birth defect, type of place of residence, region, respondents, month of birth. So for this, I need to go to the data set. So I need to go to analyze, go to descriptive, go to frequency. So here I just put the variable, this one. Then women has child with birth defect. Then what are others? Then type of place of residence, region and month. Type of place of residence, region and the month. Respondents, month of birth. So then you can press here the chart, then press bar chart, continue, then OK. So you will see the output file, another one output file box, and here you can see the output has come. Women with child has child with birth defect, no. So the frequency 77 said no, 73 said yes. The percent, you can also see the percentage. So I just organized those here, and I just added the original table in the appendix section. These are the tables, so you can see. So these are the graphs, and these graphs also you will get from SPSS. Here are the graphs. So this is the first step. So then the next one is average number of times the respondents have given the birth. So we need to calculate the mean. So this is the average number of the birth the respondents have given, number of times the respondent has given the birth. So I am going to the dataset that analyze descriptive. So number of times respondents have given the birth, I just put the variable here, then press OK. So you can see we just get the table. So this is how I calculated this. Then we need to go to do the inferential statistics. So here is the first one is whether age is a function in occurrence of birth defect. So as the occurrence of birth defect, it was a categorical variable. That means it has whether yes or no. That's why I did the logistic regression analysis by taking age as independent variable, this one as dependent variable. So I'm going to my data set. I'm going to analyze. I'm going to regression, going to help binary logistic. So I'm putting in the dependent column, women has child with birth defect, this one here, and then age, current age, this is in the covariate box, then pressing OK. So before pressing OK, you can if you want any more settings, you can do from here. So for example, I want the classification ports, please continue and OK. So you will get the result, and if you come here, you will get the main table here. So this is the main table, and I just copied it and pasted it here, and I explained it over here. So age was found a significant factor in explaining occurrence of birth defect. So then effect of place of residence in the occurrence of birth defect. So I will just need to include the effect of place of residence. We need to include this one, urban or urban rural. So I'm going to the analysis again, going to analyze, going to regression, going to binary logistic. I'll just put the age here and just place the place of residence here and then press OK again. And getting down, this was the result box. I just put it here. Next, I want to look at the relationship between women's age at first birth with occurrence of birth defect. So we need to calculate the Pearson correlation, and there are other two correlations as well. So we need to place women age at first birth. So I'm going to the data set, I'm going to analyze, going to correlate, going to bivariate, and placing the women ages first birth and women has child with birth defect here. Then I'm placing Kendall-Stowe, Pearson, these three correlations. I'm pressing OK. So here I just got the result. So you just got the result, and I just organize the table and put the key values only in the table, and the relationship among between these two variables significant. Then we need to analyze the relationship between number of times the respondent has given birth with the occurrence of birth defect. So again, we go to the analyze, go to correlate, go to bivariate, and age, number of times respondent has given birth. So here is the table. Then I just put the table here. Then I just put the analysis. Then I just put all the tables, original tables, in the appendix section. This is how I did the analysis. Thank you so much.